Anthony. All right, we're back outside with part 2 of our Grow Your Own series, here with tips for gardening. No matter what size space you have, home contractor Skip BEDELL. Skip, I love this because sometimes with a dish, you need just a couple of pieces of basil, or you're making a mojito and you need some fresh mint.
That's what I'm saying, Steve. Listen, first time ever seen on television right here from the inventors of the Vegepod. This is their kitchen garden. And what's so cool about this is like it's a garden center all in one. So it has a built-in watering system with a gauge that you see here. It has an LED full spectrum light up on the top, which works with an app on your smartphone so you can control the light. And it'll water 6 to 8 weeks with the water filtration of the water system built into the bottom of this. So also the other thing you'll notice, Steve, there's dirt in this. So unlike hydroponics, this is the only system on the market that actually uses real soil. So you can start your seeds right in here and start it down low like you see, like your microgreens. And then as they grow, you lift up the top and it allows you to move the light, move the water.
It's brilliant. Where's that available?
Yeah, that's at Vegepod. You can get that for the kitchen garden on Vegepod.
Come in here, look at this.
Time to go camping.
This is like a shelter in a box.
Yeah, this is Shelter Logic. Yeah, so Shelter Logic, this is their GrowIt greenhouse. I love this, right? Isn't this so cool?
The sun comes right through it.
Yeah, this is the GrowIt greenhouse. And so, by the way, this is the greenhouse in a box. So we put this together in about an hour. It's super easy from Shelter Logic. It comes in multiple sizes. It's got a fold-up door and ventilation all around.
The deer can't get in?
Lets the light come in, but no deers, no critters, keeps your crops safe.
Great.
Yep.
Fantastic. Look out for the rhinos. They'd be able to get through there.
So,
Skip, what about this?
Here is the answer to my success. This is gardeners.com. When Allison and I started gardening, we knew nothing about gardening. Everything you need to know is at gardeners.com. They have great stuff like, check this out. So Brian, these are self-watering tomato growers. So you put your soil in here, it waters itself because it has self-watering trays. You even have a little gauge and allows your tomatoes to grow up through the inside of these trellises.
So your kids have no chores at all now.
No, nothing to do. Yeah.
I like this because if you live in the city or you have a lot of pavers and a lot of tar, you still want this.
It's great.
You bring your own garden.
It's fantastic. A cedar growing box, which is great. It holds up to the weather. They got a beautiful trellis that goes over the top of it. But the best thing is that Gardeners makes all of their products here. They're an American company right in Vermont. So everything you need to know is at gardeners.com. They got great stuff.
By the way, you're smart. 3 layers. You're wearing 3 layers.
Right, I'm saying. Yeah, it's a little bit chilly.
Skip, thanks so much. Great to see you. We'll see you a little bit later.
Go to skipbedell.com for more information.
Everyone's there right now. Meanwhile, still ahead, Congressman Jim Jordan, major president.